Hi, this is Dan Gookin, and welcome to video 342, where I'm going to discuss cleaning a laptop screen. I have a laptop here. It has kind of a dusty screen on it. I got to tell you, since this is an LCD, you never ever use ammonia or alcohol to clean it. Instead, you should start with something as simple as the dainty and useful lint-free cloth. That's what this is. And just take it, and give that laptop screen a nice, gentle rub. You will find that the lint-free cloth does an excellent job of just sucking up all that dust that seems to cling to the monitor. Another thing you can do to clean the monitor, if it's really specifically gross, I mean like this kind of gross, then what you want to do is use something a little bit more drastic. And I went to the store and I bought these guys here. This is called the moistened cleaning cloth. This does not use alcohol. This does not use ammonia. So it's not like Windex or anything. And this is designed to really get that clean. It's like a moist towelette without the Kentucky Fried Chicken. It smells kind of weird. So I'm just going to use this to go ahead and, again, gently rub the screen and try to get some of that icky, bicky, geeky stuff off of there. After you moisten the screen, use your lint-free cloth to go ahead and give it kind of a buff there. And there you have it, a nice, clean laptop screen, at least until the next time you sneeze.